Hello, congratulations on making to this video. My name is James Collin and I just want to say thank you for checking out my story and actually taking a step forward, raising your hand and saying I want to see how I can make a change in how I'm living life. It's funny, but if you think about it, most people in the world just sort of suffer in silence, working a job they hate, and they sort of go on and live life as if there is no other alternative. You know what I mean? But a small number of people in the world actually do make a change because they hit a point where enough is enough and they decide to do something about it and they take their life back. And those few individuals go on to change everything for themselves. I mean, their family and loved ones, and are the owners of exciting, happy, and fulfilled lives. And personally, just a few months ago, I did just this. I was sick of software that I was using because my story, I think you cannot relate to my story because it is not really a sad story. In computers, I have been passionate about computers since I was a child, and growing up at school, I was always with computers. I earn my money with computers, so I never had a problem with computer in general, with earning money, working for a job. But this is my story. But inside this quite good story, there were some issues about using all the software, being kind of alone because I never worked for a company, for a boss. I was my own boss, and I was not even a freelancer because I was earning money from the internet nearly as soon as I got internet. I built a website for myself, and so, but I was using many tools, and there was no sense of community. As an affiliate marketer, it's a lonely job. It's okay for me, but still. So a few months ago, I decided it was time for me to take back control over my life, at the least with a community, and because I've never been so challenged and pushed in my life, and it's been an incredible process with Builderall, especially with the community of Builderall. Is one that has changed me forever. I want to share that with you right now. It can help you, I think. So on the next page, you're going to watch a short video with a guy named Dave Sharp, and he's going to share with you a little bit about 15 days online business challenge that we're doing here at Builderall. We've just launched it, and I think you are going to be absolutely loving it because he will share with you a few of his own strategy that have helped him build not just one, but multiple seven-figure businesses all on the internet. Again, I think you're going to love what he's going to share with you. He's a really successful marketer. I first known about him, it was in 2011 with one of his business ventures, which was called Empower Network. And at the time, I was attracted to his opportunity, but I did not go through because at the time we could only pay by a credit card, and me, I like to pay with PayPal. And so for this problem, I didn't go in. But as after, life works in mysterious ways. I was in Builderall, and he came to Builderall. I am paying Builderall with my PayPal, and he came to Builderall as the new directors of sales. So now Dave Sharp is back in my life, in my online community, but I didn't go to him. He came to me, back to me, and he's really great. My opinion on him hasn't changed from back in the days, but now he's here and he's offering his knowledge to Builderall users. So I think you're going to love what he's got to share with you for sure. No, I don't know where you are at. You must not relate to my story. I think maybe you are near retirement, or maybe you are bored at your work and you're looking for a side hustle, or maybe you are sick of working 40, 50, or 60 hours a week for a boss, or maybe you're a stay-at-home mom who's got a little extra time on your hands. I mean, no matter where you are at, just imagine what it would feel like to learn how to create from scratch an online business, to empower yourself to take your life back and to finally actually enjoy what you do. I'm not saying this is easy, because really it's not easy, but if you're willing to put in the work, Dave and Builderall will hand you the blueprints of how to do it. So if you would like to see this short video with Dave, you have to click on the link beneath this video in the description, and you will be sent immediately over to Dave. And be sure to take immediate action at this moment on what you learn. I can't wait to work alongside you and help set you free. If you go through, then you can contact me. We can talk about it. I love this program with Build a Role, also the teaching material that Dave offers. So let's talk about it. And I have a last bit of instruction for you, is to watch out for my emails in your inbox. If you give me your email, I will send you emails, because I will be sharing with you a little more about my story and how this has so drastically changed my life and how it can change yours as well. So again, my name is James Collin, and I look forward to meeting you soon. Click on the link below and let's rock and roll.